It's been a very quiet morning for tanking. No issues that the team's working. Weather is set at currently at 70% chance of having good conditions at liftoff time.
Be in the assembly building. That's how it gets put together. A couple miles out to the shop.
Essentially, the shuttle is running. It's on there, waiting to take off.
Final inspection team as well as that too, I've been in the pad.
Copy that.
Final inspection team is complete and we'll be rolling back to AB 11. You get everything?
Inspection complete. All departed the pad.
I copy departing the pad and just heads up Tom. Flight crew has they're in the process of departing the OSP at this time. You guys might make it out without having to pull over, but I need you to be advised that they are en route to the pad.
And here come our STS-132 Atlantis crew. So with that, the Astrovan now will proceed on out to pad 39A. There they go. And they'll be escorted out to the pad line. NASA security van, as is customary, behind them. The inspection team is on the way back from the pad in their vehicles. I think the two will pass, but it'll be close. The landing aids at the shuttle landing facility are about to be activated should a return to the landing site be necessary this afternoon. Astrovan now arriving at the pad and going up the incline. Ramp to pad service. The crew compartment reports that they are ready for the astronauts' ingress. Crew may pause for a moment to take a look at Atlantis before they head up the elevator. And that's exactly what they're doing. That shot there looking up the side of the flame trench to the crew on the pad surface. And we're at T-minus 3 hours and holding with an hour, 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in this built-in hold. Here are the astronauts now getting off the elevator, ready to cross the orbiter access arm. suit prior to boarding Atlantis to be our first crew member aboard today. Here we see our commander being seated in the cockpit. Mission Specialist number 3, Steve Bowen, being assisted with his launch and entry suit. Steve Bowen now confirmed aboard Atlantis at this time. Tony Antonelli, our pilot, will be boarding next. Here's Sellers, his Mission Specialist number 4, ready for his entry into the group compartment. Next to board is Mission Specialist number 1 aboard Atlantis on STS-132.
Yeah, so we're 3 hours from launch, just a little under, and so some of these guys have already been sitting on the back for a little while.
I guess if you can't turn your head, can't move around, a mirror is not a bad thing to have.
Mike Good, here called Bueno on the loops during the mission. That crew has actually been working with these guys all through training. They're assigned kind of to the crew when the crew's assigned, and they show up at all the training events where they're suited and kind of go through the whole choreography every single time, make sure the suits are fitting just right. Mike Good coming into view in the MS2 season, and Chris Cassidy will start working on him here shortly. Yeah, so with the exception of the commander and pilot and MS2, most of the guys are up and moving around very, very quickly, and actually the guys down in the mid-deck will be getting out of their aces pretty quickly after getting an 8.5-minute ride to orbit. You can see the hatch there with Atlantis written down the side.
SRO is good. You have range clear to launch.
And CDR.
Atlantis is go.
And NTD Launch Director, you are clear to launch Atlantis. Copy that, Launch Director. Go for orbiter access arm retract.
Atlantis crew, our team has worked hard, and it's with great pride that we send the first class crew of Atlantis to the International Space Station with the many research modules to be installed.
Minus 2 minutes at now.
Atlantis, close the launch advisors and initiate OT.
OTC, that is in work.
On sequencer will hand off to Atlantis' onboard flight computer 15 seconds from now. Firing chain is on, sound suppression water system activated. Minus 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Go for main engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
by 36 statute mile orbit. Area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Throttle back up. Copy, go, throttle up. All three engines looking really good, back at full throttle now at liftoff. The fully fueled shuttle, boosters and external tank weighed 4.5 million pounds. It now burned half of that liftoff weight in propellant. Atlantis is already 19 miles in altitude, downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, 20 miles, traveling 2,500 miles per hour. Coming up on staging, the point at which the twin solid rocket boosters burn out and separate from the orbiter. Separation confirmed. The onboard guidance system has done its job of settling out any of the dispersions that have been introduced at the booster separation. Traveling 3,700 miles per hour at an altitude of 27 miles. of the orbiter.
Still see the little dot. Still there. Still nowhere to look. Still see that dot.
Copy, single engine after 3.
That roll the heads up provides a good satellite communications link with Atlantis, continuing its travel into space.
You are press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104. Copy, press to MECO, single engine Zaragoza 104. Of course, I got the roll. Lucky dog. Atlantis, copy, nominal shutdown. Go for the start deck, go for the pitch.
Still going.
Atlantis is now traveling 13,000 miles per hour. 580 miles away from the Kennedy Space Center at an altitude of 340,000 feet. Atlantis can reach orbit on one engine now should two fail. However, all three are still in good shape. Atlantis is traveling 15,500 miles per hour, approaching 8 minutes